The 1949 Timbs Special Roadster is a remarkable piece of automotive history, a testament to the vision and engineering prowess of its creator, Norman Timbs. Timbs, a talented mechanical engineer, was known for his work on the Indy 500 winning Blue Crown Specials and his contributions to the Tucker 48 torpedo design. Inspired by the streamlined auto union racers of the pre-war era, Timbs set out to create a car that would embody advanced concepts in performance and aesthetics. The Timbs Special Roadster was a 3-year labor of love, with Timbs meticulously crafting every detail. The chassis was formed from 4-inch diameter chromoly tubing, a material typically used in aircraft construction, demonstrating Timbs' commitment to strength and lightness. The suspension system was equally innovative, featuring a Ford I-beam solid front axle and a custom-made independent swing axle with a Packard center section at the rear. The car's most striking feature is its seamless aerodynamic body, hand-formed from aluminum panels welded together. The design is characterized by skirted fadeaway fenders, a contoured cockpit without doors, a split windshield, and dual exhaust tailpipes. The massive aluminum tail is hinged just behind the cockpit and opens on a single hydraulic ram to reveal a 320 cubic inch 1947 Buick straight-eight engine fitted with dual carburetors. The engine, located nearly in the center of the car's chassis, produces around 200 horsepower and is capable of propelling the Roadster to speeds over 120 miles per hour. The cockpit is a marvel of luxury and functionality, featuring a Stewart Warner 5-gauge accessory panel, a wood-rimmed 3-spoke accessory wheel, and a column-mounted Ford shift lever. The interior is upholstered in tan leather, adding a touch of elegance to the sporty design. The Timbs Special Roadster made its debut on the cover of Motor Trend's second issue in October 1949, captivating readers with its futuristic appearance. The car's impact was immediate, and it went on to appear in several automotive publications and shows, earning widespread acclaim for its innovative design and engineering. Over the years, the Timbs Special Roadster changed hands several times, appearing in various states of repair and disrepair. It was featured in the Nicolas Cage film Gone in 60 Seconds, and was eventually purchased by collector Gary Cerveny in 2002. Cerveny undertook a meticulous 7-year restoration, bringing the Roadster back to its former glory. The restored car made its debut at the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance in 2010, where it won a corporate award, and later at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, where it won first in class. Tragically, the Timbs Special Roadster was lost in the Woolsey fire in November 2018, along with Cerveny's home and his collection of rare vehicles. However, the spirit of the Timbs Special proved indomitable. With the help of restorer John Bothwell and a digital recreation of the car's body, Cerveny embarked on a painstaking journey to resurrect the streamliner. The car made a triumphant return at the 2024 Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance, winning Best in Class in the Sport Customs category. The 1949 Timbs Special Roadster is more than just a car. It is a testament to the vision and ingenuity of its creator, and the dedication of those who have worked to preserve and restore it. Its enduring significance in the annals of automotive history is a reminder of the power of innovation and the timeless appeal of beautiful design.